printing locally curated PDFs. In this video, we will step you through how to print your locally curated PDFs from inside the ReadCloud software. It is a great way to complete assignments and worksheets. To print locally curated PDFs, you need to make them printable at the time of the initial upload. Accessing the Content Manager. Open ReadCloud's Content Manager by selecting the Curate Your Own Content thumbnail at the end of any virtual class cloud. You can also select the Add icon, which is located next to each of your class clouds, to access your Content Manager. The software then fires up your personal Content Manager. It is here you can upload your ebook and make it printable. Click on the blue Upload icon in the navigation bar. For more information on the Content Manager, please refer to our video, Introducing ReadCloud's Content Manager. Uploading a printable PDF. When selecting your content source, choose PDF/EPUB and select your local file. You will see all compatible files displayed. To upload your file, just click Next. Select the thumbnail and click Next. When entering the title and description for your ebook, you have the option to select the checkbox Make Printable. Assign to one or multiple class clouds and tag for future use. Accept your copyright obligations and click Finish. Printing your locally curated PDF. Exit the Content Manager by clicking the Home icon and return to your bookshelf. Once uploaded, your ebook will be available in the relevant class cloud. Once downloaded, you will see a print icon next to the function tools in the header. Once all cloud members have downloaded the resource, they will be able to print from within it. Print options include selecting a single page, a range of pages, or the entire file. Your selected pages are rendered prior to printing. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.